Well, the whole purpose of doing the data analytics is really to look into the future. Using information from the past, we can sort of view what has happened in the past using 3 years of old data, plus use current data to look into the future. So we can hope to be able to predict 3 days out whether a flight is going to be delayed. We'll then make another prediction 2 days before, 24 hours before, and then 12 hours before. So we can give an airline, in fact, many days in advance, a view of potential disruption. We get historical data from data sources like FlightAware and FlightStats. We get information from the airlines, and then we mix that with current information. So we may get information from news feeds, from Twitter, from NOTAMs, which is Notice to Airmen, weather information, and then we mix all that information together. Using that information, we have algorithms to then go and predict what the delays may be. We're also working in other areas to predict queues for passengers in security. So there are various areas where this information around data can be used. So that we can provide the data in a consistent form, the best way for us to provide it is through an API, so that airlines, airports, ground handlers can effectively request that information from SITA, so that everybody should have the same view across the airport of predictions about arrival times and predictions about passenger flows. Currently, we provide awareness of the current situation. We want to then anticipate what is happening, that's the predictions, and then in the future to provide recommended actions, and then with each of those actions we will try and provide additional information about the cost that it may have to the airline, whether that's in dollars or passenger satisfaction or some other measure. So anything that you can do to pre-warn the airline so that they can be ready for that, maybe 24 hours in advance, or if they can avoid that disruption completely, has to be a good thing. So, airports, airlines, they definitely have to have this information.